everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 26th to the 30th of December 2022 on Monday. Mamlambo enlightens Nkunzi that he has already lost Kapsile. Nosipho confesses to Gwala about Nkazimulo's suicide attempt and threats. Kapsile is back from Cape Town and agrees to give Nkunzi some answers on Tuesday. The truth about the affair comes out in the open. Nkazimulo's disappearance causes tension between Nosipho and Pastor Gwala. Bongs finally gives in and takes Mrs. Madlala out on a date on Wednesday. A painting Nkunzi takes his eyes off the road and accidentally hits something or someone. Pastor Gwala is riddled with guilt when he finds out what his son was going through. Nosipho is pained by the accusation thrown at her. Mbatha refuses to award a long-servicing member of the church on Thursday. Nomaswazi refuses to give Mondli any more information. Nosipho has no one to share Moses' first kick with. Mzimba steals from Mbatha on Friday. Nkunzi's anger lead him to drastic measures. Nosipho goes against her belief to seek help. The looming NYE party is the talk of the town. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note guys, happy new year. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back.